We are on IBC 2019 on the Deity booth with Andrew.
How are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm doing a wonderful time here. It's just been a great experience.
Yeah, you have something new here.
We brought something new for you guys to take a look at. It's
But
the new HDTX.
Yeah, wait.
Okay, what do you got?
Wait, it's a wireless transmitter with recorder.
Yes.
So I have an ID.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you a microphone.
Microphone.
Yeah, one that you probably never seen or
I've
tested.
never seen before.
It's one of the 90s.
Okay.
And I have a memory card for you.
Okay.
So we're gonna do the interview on your own device. So if it fails, you don't have any audio of the interview, and we will just put in some crickets in the edit.
So it's a dynamic microphone.
Oh, you can see it on the unit. It's a super cardioid.
And I will hit record.
Yes.
So there we are.
So
how are you
nice
guys?
and simple.
Yeah, it's recording right in. What you can see is from the screen, you can see the VU meters bouncing around. If I were to go into another menu, it's in the record menu. It's still recording, right? It's hard to hold your own recorder and like glance down, but this is what it sounds like with this particular dynamic microphone from Sennheiser, I believe.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it's from the 90s. It's a really old one.
There you go. So, what do you guys think of what this sounds like right now here at IBC with a super cardioid dynamic microphone?
I think it must sound great.
I don't know.
Because I know how the microphone sounds.
Okay.
So if it's not sounding great, it's your device.
There it is. There
so
we go.
what can you tell about this device?
So it's a 100 milliwatt plug-on transmitter with a 2700 milliamp battery. What that's going to do is allow you to run phantom power for 10 hours at 50 milliwatts and record the whole time. That's a lot of things going on right now in that little box for 10 hours.
So it's a recorder, but also a wireless transmitter.
With a wireless transmitter, and it has the ability to play out those files too out the headphone jack. So if you want to give it a listen, and we'll listen to what you're about to record, what you are currently recording, or if you want to just kind of give a notion to your boom operator as they're booming a live scene and they want to plug in, they can do that too.
This is the transmitter. What about the receiver?
So the receiver is the same as the old kit. Works right there with the Duo RX.
And will this be like a separate unit, or will it be a kit?
So if you own a kit out there already, you can just add it to your kit. Or if you just want to buy it as just a recorder, as we're using it right now, you could do that too.
Okay. And the price point of only the unit is?
$249.
$249. And with the receiver?
With the receiver and one body pack transmitter, $729. So we're looking at the market of around a mid-November release date. And then the dual kit after that, I think, will be just a few days after that. More importantly, I want to show you guys one more thing. Why don't you guys walk around like this? Let me show you. To wrap up this interview, I'm going to turn off my own recorder. And I'm going to do it from the Duo RX.
Okay.
So I'm just going to hold down this up key on my Duo RX because it's the transmitter A. And I'm just going to hold this.
I see something on the screen.
Now as I'm talking to you right now, you can't hear me.
Wait, let's put a microphone by you.
So you're talking to me right now. I'm talking to you with this microphone because this one is no longer recording because I can remote control even the record feature from the Duo RX.
So if you have it like on the boom arm, you can control it without taking it down, stuff like that.
Absolutely. So if I've got a boom and I know my operator is going to go a little bit far, or maybe they're going to go behind a wall, and I'm going to be like, you know what? Let's not risk it. Let's hit record. This is coming out, like I said, mid-November. And at the same time as we're releasing this, we're going to also be releasing that lavaliers at the same time. So the WLav Pro and the WLav Micro will also be getting that mid-November release dates.
And that are the really tiny ones?
That's the really, really tiny 3mm lavalier and our 4mm waterproof lavalier.
Will you come next year with a microphone like this that we are using now for the interview?
We are currently planning out our 2020. A dynamic reporter style microphone is not on that list, but I think you're really going to like what we've got coming out in 2020 IBC.
I will be back. So, thanks for watching.